ahead and hit subscribe to my channel for a lot of fashion content, and please give this video a thumbs up. Today I'm going to be talking about, are designer shades really worth it? And I'm gonna review my Prada shades. So let's start off with the first question. Are designer shades worth it? Yes, to a certain extent. So go ahead and elaborate on that. You know, designer shades are expensive. There's so little shades, they get beat up all the time. Me personally, I'm not gonna go around spending a bunch of money on designer shades. I have a little hack that I use. I either buy designer shades from Sunglass Hut or Nordstrom Rack. I usually buy them from Nordstrom Rack. I have like I have the Fendi shades, I have 2 Prada shades, and I think that's it. And most of the shades that I bought, they've been from Nordstrom Rack. And Nordstrom Rack, they're pretty decently priced. Sometimes they're half of what the designer shades are actually worth. So I think my Fendi sunglasses were like $600. I got them for like $325. So Nordstrom Rack usually has them half off, if not more. So definitely check out that. And I recently got some Prada shades that I am obsessed with, and I got them from Sunglass Hut. So while I was in New York, my husband really needed some shades, and this was probably what, and he ended up buying me some shades as well. It's probably one of the best purchases that that he did for me. I mean, because I just really love these shades. So we were at Sunglass Hut, he bought them. And Sunglass Hut, usually they do, if you buy designer shades, you get the second shades half off. He bought himself some Gucci shades, and then he was like, hey babe, do you want some too? And I was like, yeah. And I got some Prada shades. They were priced at $475, and I got them pretty much half off, or I did get them half off of that. And so yeah, there's hacks. Don't go out and go to designer websites and spend $600 on that. No, go to Nordstrom Rack or Sunglass Hut. So let me bring out my Prada shades that I'm obsessed with. Right here. I absolutely love these. They have some pink on the side. They're kind of boxed shape, or a square shape, shall I say. They have pink on the side. Super cute, super cute. Put them on for you. Love them. Love the shades. And so this is why I tell you, yeah, designer shades are worth it to a certain extent, because the way they make you feel, like I love blacked out shades, I love to people watch, and they just make you feel some type of way when you have them on. Like, who is she? Like, I feel like they make you feel extra in a way, and especially like nights out, days out with your friends, or date night, especially when you get to start like drinking a little bit, sipping on your favorite cocktail. Like, I love to hide my drunken eyes. So I'll show some pictures. For instance, I'll show you some pictures of me with a little bit too much cocktails, or a little too much espresso martinis. So yes. So yes, I believe to a certain extent, designer shades are definitely worth it. Definitely check out Nordstrom Rack, Sunglass Hut, and I mean, if you really are dying for a certain pair that you want to pay a full price for, that's fine. I just want to do that several times. But yeah, these are the Prada shades. I feel like Prada has some of the best designer shades. They really make you feel some type of way. You get to hide the drunken eyes. Yeah, I just really like the cut, the color. And that's pretty much all I have to say. And I'll let you get a close up on these sunnies. Also, when you buy the shades, you know, they come in a box, and they will give you a little cleaner. Try to keep them in here so you won't damage them. But yeah, that's all I have to say. Check out Prada's sunnies and go from there. I will see you guys later. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel for more fashion content. Bye guys.